Hello everyone, this is Luke. Today I want to show you how to step-by-step transfer ownership of a Discord server to someone else. If you find this video useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And let's get started. The reason why you transfer a server is, for example, when you no longer want to be an owner. And it's quick and easy. First, you need to make sure that the person you want to transfer server is in your server and is your friend. Open your server in the top left corner, click on the icon to show members, and find the person you want to transfer the server. We can see that the member we want to transfer ownership is here. Now go back and click on the server name in the top left. A menu will appear and you select Server Settings. Now scroll down the left sidebar and under the User Management category, click on Members. Find the member you want to transfer ownership and click on their name, and the Transfer Ownership option will pop up. Check the warning box and click Transfer. Now a verification code will be sent to your email. Once you enter the code, the person you selected will become the full owner. And that is all. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.